Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable autoplay videos on Wi-Fi only on Twitter for PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Twitter account and log in. Once you're in, look for the More icon on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, click on Settings and Privacy in the menu. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can make changes to your account. Now, choose Accessibility, Display, and Languages from the options on the left-hand side of the screen. This will bring up a new set of settings related to how Twitter is displayed on your device. Click on Data Usage in this section. This is where you can adjust how Twitter uses data on your device, including how videos are played. Next, click on Autoplay. Here, you'll see a few options for how videos are played on Twitter. Select the option that says Never. This will disable autoplay videos completely, but only when you're connected to Wi-Fi. And that's it. You've successfully disabled autoplay videos on Wi-Fi only on Twitter for PC. Now you can browse through your feed without worrying about videos playing automatically. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.